How to insert PDF file in Word. Now, in order for us to get this done, it's actually pretty simple. If you want all of the words to be inserted here, now this is actually going to be simple. Just go ahead and click the insert, and then you have the object here. I want you to go ahead and click this arrow down here, and then you have text from file. Now here, what you're going to do is select the file that you are going to use. For example, this one, I'm just going to go ahead and click it and then tap the insert button here. Now there is going to be something like this that's going to appear. What you are going to do is just wait for this one, but after processing everything, you should be able to hit the OK button here. Alright, there you go. So after pressing the OK, you are now able to see the text. So let's go ahead and check them. Let's go from page 1, there you go, page 2, and then page 3, 4. So this one, there is a break here. I have intended to put a break here, but that's why you are able to see that one. But basically, this is all the text here. Congratulations, everybody. I hope this video helps you out.